Hey guys, what's up? This is your homeboy Mohit K. Kashyap of SVC College of Engineering of VC department. Today I'm gonna teach you guys about password generation using Python and eligibility for voting using Python. So let's fire up this laptop and let's get started.
I'm vengeance. When that light hits the sky, it's not just a call, it's a warning. Fear is a tool.
So guys, as I speak about generating strong password using Python, having a weak password is not good for a system that demands high confidentiality and security of user credentials. It turns out that people find it difficult to make up a strong password that is strong enough to prevent unauthorized users from memorizing it. This video is all about a mixture of numbers, alphabets, and other symbols found on the computer keyboard to form a 12 character password which is unpredictable and cannot be easily memorized. So, to start with, let's get to know three major reasons like why should we code password generator in Python? So, the first option is automate the password generation process. On a typical day in your life, just like a normal day, okay, you visit numerous websites like from e-commerce stores like Amazon, Flipkart to learning and coding platforms. Most of the websites nowadays require you to log in with credentials like your Gmail ID, maybe your phone number, your passwords. This is a repetitive task that you can automate using a Python script. The second point is generate secure passwords. Coming up with strong passwords that meet security constraints can be challenging. Trivial passwords that are not strong are susceptible to security attacks. You can use Python to programmatically generate secure passwords. This lets you run the script to generate passwords as needed without worrying about the password being secure. The third point is add a practical project to your portfolio. If you're a beginner Python programmer, you should build projects to hone your skills and showcase your programming expertise through a portfolio. In addition to a simple Python script, you can customize it further and publish it as a PyPL package. You can also add a graphical user interface using libraries such as tkinter and much more. This way, you can code your own password generator to securely generate and manage your passwords across the various sites. Moving on to the next slides. Your key to secure passwords. The Python Enhancement Proposal PEP 506 advises developers to use the secrets module wherever a sequence should be cryptographically secure, such as passwords and security tokens. The module has several built-in functions that let you do the following. A built-in function specify the library functions that already exists in Python. Generate sequences of random numbers that are secure for cryptographic applications. Use functions like choice, randbits, and randbelow to generate secure random numbers. Generate token for a password reset, temporary URLs, and much more. So, you guys may ask me, what is a token? A, to- a token is the smallest individual unit in a Python program. All statements and instructions in a program are built with tokens. So, moving on to the next slide. How to code a password generator in Python. The first step is import necessary modules. Import statements are used to import library functions from Python. Programming languages like Python, Java, C++ contains a huge amount of library functions which need to be imported to a statement called import. The first statement is import necessary module like import secrets. Let's also import Python's built-in string module, which is like import string. The next step is define the alphabet. The next step is to define the alphabet. Alphabet denotes a set of all characters that we'll consider for password generation. Here we want it to contain the following: lowercase and uppercase letters and special characters. The string module provides string constraints that we can use to define the alphabet. We'll use the following string constraints. The ASCII letters is a concatenation of letters of lowercase and uppercase letters. The digits constraint is a string containing the numbers 0 to 9. The punctuation constant is a string of all special characters. Letters equal to string.ascii underscore letters. So you guys may ask me, what is ASCII? ASCII stands for American Standard Code for International Interchange. So moving on to the next code, here here we are assigning letters to string.ascii underscore letters, digit equals to string dot digits, special characters equals to string dot punctuation. Here we are declaring variables. Here we are assigning some values to letters, digits and special characters. Finally, let's concatenate the above string constant to help the alphabet. Alphabet is equal to letters concatenation, digits concatenation, special characters. What is concatenation? Concatenation is this plus symbol which is used to add two strings or a string or a number. It is a special function present in Python, Java and C++. Moving on to the next slide. Fix the length of the password, generate a password. Let's store the length of a password in a variable pwd underscore length. In this example, the password string is of length 12. Pwd underscore length equals 12. Now run the following code cell to generate a password. Pw equals to double quotes for I in range pwd underscore length colon pwd concatenation equals to double quote dot join secrets dot choice alphabet print pwd. The sample output you get is. So let me explain you how the above code works. Okay, the password string pwd is an empty string initially. We know that secrets.choice bracket alphabet returns one character sampled at random from the alphabet. We use the join method to add this character to the pwd string. Because we do not want any white space between the characters, we specify this separated to be single quote. To repeat the above steps to generate a password, we use a loop that runs for as many iterations as the length of the password. Moving to the next slide, the string password should contain at least one special character. It should contain at least 2 digits. In the code snippet below, you may modify the condition that the if statement checks for according to the constraints you define. Here we use while method. So while true, password is equal to for I in range password underscore length. Password concatenation is equal to join secrets dot choice alphabet. So here in the code cell above, we use an infinite while loop that runs so long as the password string pwd does not meet the constraints. With the generated password, pwd satisfies the constraints. We break out the infinite loop. So here I'm going to show you the complete code for the Python generator password, for the Python password generator. Here's the complete code. With this topic, I want to conclude that to generate cryptographically secure passwords, you should use the secrets module and not the random module. A strong password should be sufficiently long and should be random in that if it cannot be easily predicted or generated. It should be a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, digits and special characters. Python ships with a built-in string module that provides all letters, digits and special characters in the constraints ASCII letters, digits and punctuation respectively. Use the syntax string.constant to access these string constants. You can use the above constants to define an alphabet for password generation. Once you have defined an alphabet, you can use secrets.choice to sample a random character from it. To repeat this for the length of the password, you can use a for loop. So I think we have finished this password generation using Python topic. Moving on to the next topic, the last of this session. Here I'm going to explain you guys about the eligibility of voting model development. This is a very simple program. Here we use if else statement. So there are only 2 conditions. So in India, in order to vote, our age must be 18 or above. So using if else condition, we write a statement where if age equals greater or equal to 18, if it is true, we should print that we can vote this year. If it is not true, which means if our age is not above 18 or equal to 18, they'll print another statement which is like can cast votes after dash years. So let's look at some of the outputs. Program on output, if we enter the age 20, so it's showing we are eligible for voting. Second output, if we enter age 18, still we are eligible. Third output, if we enter 70, it's showing we are not eligible. So this is how it works. Thank you guys, it's been a great time. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.